day everyone, we are here to present our study entitled Developing a Record Book Template and Guide for Financial Record Keeping Awareness of Food Stall Owners in Cabanatuan City. The purpose of this presentation is to discuss the existing problem in financial record keeping and to present a proposed solution that can help food stall owners improve their financial management. For overview, financial record keeping is essential for business success, yet many small food stall owners in Cabanatuan City struggle due to limited knowledge and lack of proper tools. This often leads to poor tracking of income, expenses, and profits. This study aims to develop a simple financial record book template and guide to help food stall owners organize their daily sales, purchases, and expenses. The proposed output encourage proper record keeping and support better financial decision making. Through this project, the researcher aim to improve financial literacy and business management skills among food stall owners, helping them achieving sustainability and long-term growth while contributing to the local economy. After discussing the overview of the study, I will now pass the discussion to my groupmate who will present the research general problem.
Our topic focuses on problem in financial record keeping that affects how business owners manage their finances, and I will explain them briefly. The first is lack of financial record keeping awareness and proper practices. This means that many business owners do not know how to properly record their income and expenses. As a result, their financial records are often incomplete and inaccurate. The second is difficulty in tracking business performance. Because there are no proper record, it is hard for business owners to know if the business is earning a profit and experiencing a loss, as well as to monitor its growth over time. Lastly, inability to make informed financial decisions without reliable financial information. Business owners rely on guesses instead of fact when making decisions, which can negatively affect the success of the business. I will now turn over the discussion to the next presenter for the desired output of the study.
For the desired output of our project, we aim to create a customized record book template specifically designed for food stall businesses. This record book will be simple, practical, and easy to use, even for stall owners who do not have background in accounting. It will include section for daily sales, expenses, and profit, so business owners can clearly track where their money is going. Aside from the record book itself, we will also provide a user-friendly guide with step-by-step instruction. So this guide will be explained how to properly fill out each part of record book using clear example and simple language. For our goal is to help food stall owners develop the habit of proper record keeping. Through this, they can better manage their finances, monitor their income and expenses, and make a smarter business decision. Ultimately, this project aims to support the growth and sustainability of small food stall businesses.